Welcome. In today's video, we're walking through how to delete a friend on Facebook, updated for the latest version of the app. Maybe you're cleaning up your friends list, or you just want to keep your feed a little more private. Whatever the reason, the process is quick and simple, and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're logged in, head straight to the profile of the person you want to remove from your friends list. You can find them by typing their name into the search bar at the top of the screen or by scrolling through your friends list until you see their profile picture. Once you're on their profile page, look for the button that says Friends. It's usually located right below their name and profile photo. Tap that button, and a small drop-down menu will appear with a few different options. From that menu, select Unfriend. When you tap on it, Facebook will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this person from your friends list. This step helps make sure you don't accidentally delete someone by mistake. After you confirm, that person will immediately be removed from your friends list. They won't get a notification that you unfriended them, but they might notice if they try to visit your profile or interact with your posts and realize they're no longer connected. Keep in mind that unfriending someone doesn't block them. If you want to completely stop someone from seeing your profile, sending you messages, or interacting with you on Facebook, you'll need to block them instead. But if you're simply curating your friends list, the unfriend option is all you need. That's it. You've successfully removed a friend on Facebook. If you found this walkthrough helpful, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy social media tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.